Thanks for tuning in for another video. In today's video we talk about the benefits of taking vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. It can be found in a few food sources, including fatty fish and egg yolks, but the main source of vitamin D is through the skin's exposure to the sun. It is also available in supplement form. One of the main benefits of vitamin D is its role in bone health. It helps the body to absorb calcium, which is necessary for strong bones and teeth. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to weak bones and an increased risk of osteoporosis. In addition to its effects on bone health, vitamin D may also have other potential health benefits. It has been shown to have immune-boosting effects and may be helpful in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer and autoimmune diseases. Vitamin D may also have potential benefits for mental health, as it has been linked to a lower risk of depression. Some people may be at a higher risk of vitamin D deficiency, such as those with limited sun exposure, darker skin, and certain medical conditions. It's important to speak with a healthcare professional to determine if you may be at risk and if taking a vitamin D supplement is right for you. In conclusion, vitamin D is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth and may also have other potential health benefits. Incorporating sources of vitamin D into your diet, such as fatty fish and supplements, can help to ensure that you are getting enough of this important nutrient. Thanks for watching.